Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this Apple ID has not yet been used with the iTunes stores on any iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're having the issue that your Apple ID cannot be used into your iTunes, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected, and then you have to go to settings, go to screen time, then go for the content and privacy restrictions. And here, if you want to, if it's possible, you have to disable all the restrictions, or if you can't, you have to only select the option of the app installation and purchases, then select in app store, and here select allow. And once you have that, you just have to go back, and here you have to open your settings, and you have to go for screen time, then you go for content and privacy restrictions, select the same option here, and here you have to also select allow this one, and here you have to select the don't require option. Or once you have done, you have to open your app store, then tap on your profile in the top right corner, then tap on it again. Or first of all, you have to sign out. Once you have signed out, sign in again with your Apple account, and then you have to change your country or region. So open your profile here, and then you need to verify yourself using your Face ID or passcode or your Apple ID password here. Once you have entered your Apple ID password, you will get this type screen. You just have to select your country or region here, and then you just have to scroll down and look for your own country and region in which you are living. And once you have selected, select that option, and your country and region will be changed. And once you have done, your problem will be fixed. So in this way, in that you can easily fix this Apple ID has not been used in with the iTunes store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.